Hello fashion lovers, welcome to Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. So let's start with today's video, which is all about the drafting of kaftans. In this series we'll be learning four types of kaftan, their drafting and their stitching. So first we'll start with the butterfly kaftan, which is the simplest one to prepare, to stitch and to draft. So start with the butterfly kaftan. This is the process. So before starting this, let's see how it look like. So I am making the technical drawing of the butterfly kaftan. This is the neckline. This is a square piece of cloth which is stitched in a way that it takes the shape of garment and it looks very beautiful. So here I have given the straight shape so that you can understand how it looks like, and here I am trying to give the false key. It will look like when you will wear it, how it will look like. See, this is the look with the flares or the folds. So at the waist generally there is a drawstring just to give the fitting to the kaftan, because generally it comes with the straight side seam or about straight side seam. So we have to give a string at the center and it takes the flare at the bottom. So in the next video, which is adjoining to this, most probably will be learning about its stitching also. We'll cut it on the fabric and we'll see how we can stitch this simple kaftan. And believe me, if you go through the entire process, even if you are not technical, even if you are not good at stitching or good at cutting or good at all these things, you can prepare a kaftan if you will see the entire process till end. This is my guarantee. So if you are finding the video interesting, like the video, and if you are new to this channel, you are requested to subscribe the channel so that you will find all the content about the fashion designing and such. So we'll just give I'm just trying to give a shape to this so that you will get a clear view about how your kaftan will look like. If you want to see the technical drawings, you can go through the playlist basic design ideas. There we have given 15 days of course. It will help you out about the silhouettes, about the necklines, about the sleeves and all. So this is all. Now let's start with the drafting process. For drafting, as you know, we are using the age group of 18 years. If you want to see about the age groups and the standard measurement table, go through this playlist. The standard measurement table is there. You can just check this process and everything. Scale we are using 1 inch is equal to 4 inches, and the measurement that are required are generally 3 measurements are there which are generally be required. The waist length 15 inches, the hip length or the seat length is 23 inches, and apart from that the measurement will be using in the kaftan. Otherwise the kaftan is not been prepared with the measurements, but I generally do prefer to prepare it with the measurement. So we are taking the kaftan length of 40 inches, and you may increase or decrease the length as per your taste. Second is the cross back, that is 14 or 15 inches it is generally, or you can increase or decrease as per your measurement. That is all round bust, that is 36 inch, and all round hips, that is 38 inch. Apart from that, we'll be requiring the armhole depth, the neck depth, neck width and all. These are the general. So first we are taking a line AB, as AB is equal to 40 inches, but obvious is the all round is the length of the kaftan, and this AB line is on fold. That means this line is on fold on the fabric. So now we are taking a point C from the point A, that is a perpendicular, or you can say a square outline. This is A to C, as AC is equal to 16 to 20 inches. It depends upon you how long you want the sleeves. because cross back plus the sleeve length, here half of the cross back I would say and sleeve length, that means here 7 is the cross back and 13 inches would be the sleeve length, so I am taking it 20 inches. In the same way, I'll square out a point D at point from point B as BD is equal to AC, and I will join C to D. Simply it is an rectangle ABCD where AB is the length and AC is the width, right? So I'm explaining it. AB is equal to CD, right, and AC is equal to BD. That means this is equal to this. This is a rectangle now. So let's start with the process. First we'll mark the neckline. Here I am marking a point A to A dash. A to A dash is equal to neck width, that is 2 3/4 inches. Generally it is like that only for the ladies 36 and above sizes. You may decrease for the ladies with the less sizes. And A to A double dash is the back neck depth, that is 2.5 inch, 1.5 inch. It depends upon you, it depends upon the liking of the people, it may vary, but generally it is 1.5 to 2.5 inches. For kaftan we need to keep it little bit lesser. So A to A triple dash is equal to depth of the front neck, which I am taking here 4.5 inches. It all again depends upon you, and in the case of kaftan generally we do take the depth of front neck even lesser than of the general garments. We'll just square out a line from all these 3 points, A2 from A dash, A double dash and A triple dash, and we'll prepare the rectangle or the squares. And now we'll give the shape to the neckline. Back neckline I am giving here as a simple round, and front neckline I am giving a pond shape, as you can see in the illustration, this, right? And this is also be keep in mind that AC line is also unfold in this. So E, we have taken a point E as AE is equal to 8.5 inches, that is the depth of the armhole, or you can calculate the armhole 1/4 of the bust minus half inches. A to F, we have taken a point F. A to F is equal to 15 inches, that is the waist length. It may be increase or decrease as per your size. Here I am taking the standard measurement. A to G is equal to 23 inches, that is the seat length or the hip length. From shoulder to hip is 23 inches, right? Now I'll square out the lines from point E to mark point E dash as E to E dash is equal to E dash is equal to 9.5 inches, that means 1/4 of the bust, all round bust, plus half inch for the ease, right? This will give a beautiful fitting to your kaftan. That means 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9 plus half inch is equal to 9.5 inches, right? From point F again I am squaring out a point F dash as F to F dash. This is for the waist, but I'll just decrease half an inch because later we'll give the fitting with the string, right? So I'll decrease half an inch from the point EE dash. So EE dash was 9.5, so this is 9 inches. G to G dash, again I am squaring out a point G dash as G to G dash is equal to 10 inches, as 1/4 of the all round hips plus half inch for the ease. You may increase the ease as per your taste. If you want it little bit more loose, so you can just increase half an inch more than of that, but it seems beautiful if it comes with the fitting. So 38 by 4, 9.5 plus half inch is equal to 10 inches, right? Now we'll just join it with the French curve or the side seam curve, all these three, and I'll increase or extend the point G dash to the line BD by joining the waist wala curve and the G dash point, and 8 inches I am taking a point H. This will keep the slit. And now the seam line is, we don't have to cut this, this is just a seam line. E dash, F dash, G dash and H is the seam line. Only this portion we have to sew, and the neckline we have to prepare, and now your kaftan is ready. This is the on fold, as I told in the starting. This is again on fold because we have to fold the fabric 4 times, and this is the grain line of the kaftan. So this is all about the kaftan. In the next video we'll be learning the cutting it on fabric on the real scale and stitching it, the stitching technique of the kaftan. It is very simple to sew. You can even use your saris, you can even use your old dupattas, you can even use any fabric, and it will look very beautiful and very trendy when you will wear this. So watching this video was a fun, I hope. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you.